Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2010 Kawasaki CONCOURS 1400. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2010 Kawasaki CONCOURS with 24,579 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, heated grips, TPMS, and electronic windshield, and has been upgraded with a V-Stream windscreen, an aftermarket engine guard, and we have installed new front and rear tires. Powered by a 1352cc transverse 4-cylinder engine, the CONCOURS puts 161 horsepower and 102 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.8-gallon fuel capacity, the CONCOURS has a 200 to 250-mile range. It has a 32.1-inch seat height and a 670-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed the front and rear tires, and took this bike for a test ride. Our technician noted that it runs, rides, and shifts well, but the TPMS does not work. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on both sides of the engine guard, paint chips on the fuel tank, scratches on the mirror housings, a scratch on both saddlebags. This bike has a toolkit, 1 key, and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.